Welcome to my channel again. I'm going to continue with the series on C++ operators. In the past, we've looked at the C++ assignment operator and the C++ arithmetic operators. Today, we're going to be considering two operators, the compound assignment operator and the decrease and increase operators. So, let's start. Compound assignment operators. If you look at them, you see two operators joined together. In the first one, we have the plus and the assignment operator, minus and assignment. Then the multiplication and the assignment, division and the assignment, modulus assignment, shift right and assignment, shift left and assignment, and an assignment, or not an assignment or an assignment. They are shortcut operators that combine the assignment operator with other binary operators. It is used when the right hand side is when the left hand side is part of the right hand side. It is used when the left hand side is part of the right hand side. Let's see an example. See, score is equal to score plus 5. On the left hand side we have score. On the right hand side we're having score plus 5. So we are seeing score on both the left hand side and the right hand side. So when we have this, we can make use of the shortcut assignment operator, compound assignment operator. So this can be written as score plus equal to 5. It can be written as score plus equal to 5. So these two statements are the same. And I said the reason why this is possible is because score is appearing on both the right hand side and the left hand side. So because it's appearing on both the right hand side and the left hand side, you can shorten it as score plus equal to 5. That will give you the same thing as score is equal to score plus 5. The same thing applies to other compound assignment operators. So whether it is subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, shift left, shift right, and all the other binary operators, you can just change it this way. If you discover that what is on the right hand side, is also, or what is on the left hand side rather, is part of the right hand side. So that is it for the compound assignment operator. You can check it out yourself and see whether they will give you the same results. Let's go to the next operators, the increase and decrease operator. The increase operator is double plus sign, while the decrease operator is the double minus sign. What do they do? So this is short method of increasing or decreasing a variable by 1. So if we are using plus plus, which is the increase operator, what does it do? It actually decreases the value of the variable. It increases the value of the variable by 1. But if it is minus minus, it decreases the variable by 1. So it's just either it is adding 1 or it is removing 1 from the variable. It's actually a binary operator. For instance, if we have age plus plus, it means that if age is 10, age plus plus will give you age to be 11. It can also be written as plus plus age. If you have it as plus plus age, it will still give you the same result. If age is 10, the result will be 11 after plus plus age. The first one, because the symbol is coming after, we call it postfix. Then the second one, because the symbol is coming after, we call it prefix. The same thing applies for minus minus, the decrease. It can be age minus minus, or it can be minus minus age. So it's either going to be a postfix or a prefix. Like I said, both statements above are equivalent to age is equal to age plus 1. Remember what we said, that it is adding 1 to the variable. So it is the same thing as writing age is equals to age plus 1. If you want to use a compound assignment, if you look at this now, you will see that age is on both sides. So this thing could be written as age plus equal to 1. Age plus equal to 1. All right. So it's either you're saying h plus plus or you're saying h plus equal to 1. But the expanded format is h is equals to h plus 1. Whether it is h plus plus or plus plus h. The same thing applies to the minus minus symbol. Then note, in the prefix format, which is plus plus h, 1 is added to h, and the new value of h is used in the expression evaluation. But when using postfix formats, h plus plus, the value of h will be used to evaluate the expression before 1 is added to the h. All right, let me explain this. Increase or decrease operator can stand alone as a full statement, because when you expand it, you will see that it has both left-hand side and the right-hand side. H is equal to h plus 1. So because of that, it can stand on its own as a full statement, h plus plus or plus h, plus plus h, or h minus minus or minus minus h. However, it is also possible that they are not standing on their own, that they are part of the right-hand side of a statement. Yes, it's possible that these expressions or operators can be part of the right-hand side of a program statement. So when they become a part of the right-hand side of the program statement, there is a little difference in the way they are interpreted. When they stand alone, they mean the same thing. They mean h is equal to h plus 1. But when they become part of another expression, their meaning changes. And what happens to their meaning? When it is plus plus h, which is prefix, what we are saying is this. Before you use h in the expression, you have to add 1 first to it before you use it in that expression. But when it is h plus plus, what we are saying is this. Use the original value, as meaning it is 10. You use 10 first in the expression before adding 1 to it to make it 11. So that's the difference. For the prefix means increase it by 1 before using it, while postfix means use it first before increasing it by 1. So let's look at these examples like we said before. Age is equal to 10. We now say new age is equal to h plus plus. As you can see, it's now on the right-hand side of the assignment operator. So it's not standing alone. So what this means is this, like we said, if it is postfix, it means use the original value before changing the value. So in this case now, we are going to assign 10 to new age. Then after assigning 10 to new age, then age will now become 11. That is, say, use me first before increasing me. That is postfix. But when we come to prefix, new age equal to plus plus age, what we're saying is this. Increase me first before assigning me or using me. So therefore, in that case now, new age will be 11, while age will be 11 because it was increased by 1 before it was assigned to the left-hand side. We are going to the C++ code blocks IDE to demonstrate these things.